Hello neighbors. This video, I feel a little bit rushed. I gotta go and pack soon. Katie and I are gonna be on a trip to Italy starting this week. So this might be our only video for the week. We've done a bulgogi stew before in the past, but I think that one is a little bit outdated. I wanna upgrade it up with this simpler recipe. The taste is beautiful, it's amazing. You eat with a bowl of rice and it's gonna feel like fall is, it's welcome. Fall is welcome now. One of my favorite parts about this stew is the tangmyeon. That's the sweet potato starch noodles. You can find this at the Korean marts, or you can just replace them with any other noodles that you can find. All right, this is an optional ingredient. Just get like a big fistful and then just dunk it in cold water. I have 400 grams of very thinly sliced beef. At Korean marts, you can just ask for bulgogi beef or go to an Asian mart and ask for shabu shabu beef. And the key toppings here are really fresh mushrooms. Grab a fistful of oyster mushrooms, cut off the base, and then just separate them. Very good. I'm gonna just give this a quick wash. And next we have some enoki mushrooms. We call it pengi in Korean, so just cut right through the packaging. Just split this right down the middle. And then 4 piece of spring onion. Let's just cut this at an angle. And next we're gonna build this broth with the Korean pear. This thing is filled with liquid. You can use regular pear as well. And if you're gonna use the regular pear with the little booty at the end, I would use 2 or 3 of those. Cut this in half. Cut this in half as well. We're gonna throw out the core. Oh, and happy Chuseok. It's Korean Thanksgiving today. I'll probably be at my grandma's place in the countryside, getting tortured by my cousins, and you wanna peel this as well. We're gonna just grab each pear piece and just go straight down. And again, if you don't have Korean pears in your mart, just use pear juice. That works too. Let's put this through a strainer and squeeze all the water out of this. 1 full cup. Put it back in here. All right guys, and to this we're gonna add 1/3 cup of soy sauce, something like that. Let it mix in. To this we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar, then 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and finally 1 tablespoon of honey. And this should give that salty but slightly sweet bulgogi flavor. Let's give this a nice whisk. Then let's cut up 1 onion here. Chop it up into thin slices here. Put in our onion slices. Is that Katie spamming me? Who keeps messaging me? All right. And then let's put in our meat pieces. Yes, I'm gonna detangle them as we put them in. And today I feel like using my hands. Let's get in there. Oh, ooh, nice flavor. Oh, and we're gonna let this marinate for 30 minutes. All right, ladies and gents, it's time to cook. Let's get this on a medium-high heat. It looks good to me. Go straight with our meat. You don't have to put any oil. Let's go straight from our bowl. Oh yeah. Make sure you get all the onion pieces as well. You want to spread out the meat a little bit, kind of unravel it. And now the most important step, guys, we need to dilute this flavor with a little bit of water. We're gonna add in 1/2 cup of water and then move all of this stuff to one side and then get the tangmyeon, those potato starch noodles, and then just lay them in to the side. Let's put all of our oyster mushrooms to one side and then of course our enoki mushrooms to the other side. And then we'll just let that boil for about 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes is up. Wow. Wow. Just take a small sip of the broth. Slightly bland. So I'm gonna just add in 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I'm gonna give it 1 more taste. Perfect, perfect. To finish this off, just add a little bit of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix that around as well. We got our spring onions. Put that straight down. And that, my friends, is bulgogi stew. Bulgogi on top. Wow. You got your selection of mushrooms down here. Let's dive in. All we need is some rice on the side. Get a little bit of the beef and the noodles. And that, my friends, is a very easy meal for everybody. All right, this can feed a whole family right here. Bon appetit, guys. Let's try this. Amazing, amazing. Don't really have too much words for you guys today, other than it's very tasty. Alright guys, I gotta go pack. Can you do me a favor? Just keep an eye out on my food. And ciao. Next time I'll see you in Rome. Muy bueno, bueno, bueno. Oh no, that's Spanish.